Ladies and gentlemen, greetings from Lucore Automotive and all of us here. Clearly this is a difficult time. It's a very challenging time for our entire country and the world. And we here are going to do our best to be able to protect you, keep ourselves healthy as well as our customers. With that said, something that we are going to be instituting here is we are closing down the front of our shop. So you will no longer be able to get into the waiting room and talk to us at the front desk. In order to facilitate that, we ask that you use our convenience drop. Inside the convenience drop, you'll find pens, you'll find envelopes to fill out all of your information. Now, regardless of whether or not we are open or closed, if it's business hours or non-business hours, please use this system. Drop your key in here as it says. Then if you'd like to, you could certainly give us a call and discuss your situation, discuss your personal vehicle, discuss whatever it is that we need to do with you. Please also take the pen with you. There's no need to recycle pens. We have plenty, and it'll remind you about us because our name's on there. So this is just a little bit of a way that we can help you guys stay safe. We can keep ourselves safe. We're instituting a similar policy with all of our parts delivery people as well. So we're decreasing the amount of contact that we have with everybody around that chain. Now, with that said, we also do offer pickup and delivery of your vehicles. So if you do need to have service done on your vehicle, but you don't feel comfortable bringing it to us, we will offer a pickup and delivery service as well to all of our customers in the area. As you can tell, we have plenty of gloves. So within a due amount of time, when you call in, we will arrange that. We will come out, pick up the vehicle, bring it in, service whatever we need to service, and then bring it back to you. Now, one thing that we would caution you with is that we would prefer you not get in the vehicle within a certain amount of time of us dropping it off. We know that the virus that we're all battling does live on surfaces. So if we do need to bring you the vehicle, we will make sure that we communicate with you to please not get into that vehicle for a certain amount of time. The same will go for vehicles that are worked on here and that are set outside. Once we complete our repairs, we would prefer to leave that vehicle sitting still with none of us getting in and out of it for a certain amount of time so that we can make sure that that virus, if anything were to happen, is not going to be alive in your vehicle. Again, this is not something we want to do to scare people. We just want to communicate. We're here for you. We're going to be here through this entire experience, trying to keep people safe, trying to keep people on the road, and we're going to do our very best to be able to handle this as best we can as well. So, just a little bit of an update. If you have any questions, please drop us a comment. Feel free to give us a call. We're going to do our very best to stay open through all this. It's going to be difficult. We do a lot of work with different agencies, local municipalities in the area. So all of you guys, we're going to be here for you to make sure that your vehicles are running in good shape and you're going to stay on the road and helping people as you can. So thank you for watching. From all of us here at Lucore Automotive, please stay safe, stay healthy. We hope to see you all in a beautiful spring and having fun again and doing all the things we Americans love to do. So thanks for watching. We'll see you.